Hello everybody, I'm back with the video. So today's video will be the Balearic, Canary, Madeira, and Azores Islands. So let's start off with the Balearic. Oh, there's no sound. Here, skip right 6, 17, 3, left 2, down left 2. Skip right of flat 4, do an LC, 1, 2, right 3, up 1, and down left 1. 2, 3, left 1, up 2, left 1, down 1, left 1, 2, 1. Skip right 3, do 1, 2, 1, 2 1s, 2. Fill this on in with yellow concrete. Here, do wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 18, 1 and a 2s, so like this, that type of thing, 18 of those. Then on the 18th, go up left, it's easy. Go up right, flat T to 1, and here, this. No. Here, I think. Sixteen ones and a 2s like this, then add an extra 1. So like 16 and a half. Like on the 16th, go up left another 1, do 1. Here, skip up a 6, go up left a block of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do 6 ones and then go left 3, up 1, right 1. Flat 3, skip up left, flat 3, go up left 2, skip down 2, go down left 1, skip down left 2, do 2 ones. The Azores, that's the Madeira. Now time for the Canaries. Here skip down. We had 39, I remember. Skip down 39. Wait, it's 39, right? 39. Then go down right to 2, 2, 2, 2, like that. So it ends up here. I don't know why I did it here. Here, go right 5, do an L shape, 2, 3, left 2, down 1, down left 1, 2, 1, L shape, block 4, down 1. Here, go left 4, do 2, 4, left 1, right 3, down 3, go left with red, and this one. Here's skip left 2, do 1, skip down left 3, do, or see, skip left a 5, go up left to regular 2. That's it. It's pretty short. I could have done this in the Portugal and then this in the Spain, but I forgot to. So this video is technically because I forgot to. Next is France time-lapse, and then the France tutorial, then the Benelux, and then the chain and that type of stuff. I don't want to really think too far ahead, because, yeah, anyways.